Today we are looking at 8 theories that try to explain this universe. Why do we exist and what is this about? This video is also a place for you to ask your most fundamental questions about this universe. So let's find out what this is all about. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew and this is just a short video to kind of spark your imagination about different theories what this universe could be. And by the end of the video you will hopefully have some questions about this universe that I can then ask different scientists and gurus and spiritual leaders and collect the answers and present them to you on this channel. So now let's look at 8 different theories about this universe and hopefully it will spark your imagination. First, the obvious. Religions. Most of the world's biggest religions believe in one or many gods, a path to enlightenment or salvation, and eventually a judgment day and afterlife in heaven or hell. Some also believe in reincarnation. As religions have been and still are to this day responsible for wars and violence in this world, I will be exploring similarities and differences between all religions in future videos. We are looking at Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, Hermeticism, and paganism. Number 2. The Matrix, like in the movie. This could either be programmed or self-organized. It could be a galactic prison, or we chose to come here to experience and grow by free will. There are numerous studies about this and supposedly smart visionaries like Elon Musk believe it is true. And if you think about the evolution video games took after the early days in the 80s, and now we have photorealistic graphics, even virtual reality soon with sense of touch, and movies like Avatar could predict what is about to come. Thinking this cycle to the end, I think a matrix is actually possible. Number 3. The Law of One, I Am Ra. This is a book that is based on different hypnotic sessions with a higher being. It states that everything is connected and ultimately it's the same thing. That the collective consciousness develops through a cycle of different levels of consciousness, reincarnating over and over. From stones over plants to animals to humans to 4th or 5th dimensional beings in spirit form. Ultimately becoming a social memory complex and true oneness. And that this repeats like an endless loop in ever new variations and specifications. So we have a Big Bang, journey to oneness, another Big Bang, journey to oneness, and so on and so forth. Number 4. Pure randomness and evolution. No meaning at all. Because there was a chance that everything happened randomly, that is taken as a fact. But actually, many scientists start to question the pure randomness of it all as they dive deeper into this universe and its rules. For example, the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence can be found in so many shapes and forms in nature that it is hard to believe that everything just happened randomly by chance. Number 5. The multiple world theory. This theory means that at every little chance and choice of things happening, a new parallel universe is created and your consciousness shifts to the version that fits what you believe. The universe is infinite and the possible worlds that are being created as well. This is kind of hard to grasp for our brains, but hey, it's just another theory. Number 6. M-theory. This is a rather abstract theory, but its goal is more on the side of explaining how the universe functions, not so much an explanation why it is. It is a so-called theory of everything, combining 5 different string theories with the supergravity theory. If this leads anywhere and everything can be explained, this might leave clues to why everything actually exists. Number 7. My Big Toe. This is another approach for a theory of everything, such the phrase TOE equals toe. It suggests that a universal consciousness interconnects, creates, and continuously evolves all existence. Taking into the equation philosophy and metaphysics, science, spirituality, consciousness, love, values, and paranormal experiences. I'll review this theory in a future video. And last, number 8. The universe is mental. The further we look into the macro or microcosmos, the more things reveal themselves to us. There is no ending. but everything exists only if there is an observer to it. There are a bunch of spooky experiments like the double slit experiment or Schrödinger's cat that will shake you to the core, but they are also very interesting and put you on a journey to question reality. So whether or not one, any, or even many of these theories are true, now it is your turn. What is your most passionate question about this universe, like the one that you always wondered about? Like, put it in the comments, write it down, and I'm serious about this. I will try to get answers to this. I intend to find answers to all of your questions, and I will travel the world. I will ask different people that might know it, and I will present the answers on this channel. So really take advantage of this opportunity and ask the question. I'm sure you have a question. Like, for example, if there is a God, why is he allowing so much suffering and pain? He's a loving God, right? Or isn't he? Or if we live in a matrix, what is it for? I mean, who built the matrix, and are there aliens? And all these questions, I bet you have them. Put them in the comments and I will try to find answers to them and present them to you in 1 or 2 years. I really don't know how long it takes, okay? But I will try. And I won't stop. So now I am done with the first batch of videos in every playlist, and over the next month I will upload more specific and detailed versions of different topics to these playlists. But I won't use any particular order. I kind of want to go with the flow and just see what you guys like and where I'm being drawn to, and I really like variety, so if you do not want to miss any of those new videos, be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell notification to not miss any of those. And also not miss the video about the answers to your questions that you are putting in the comments, right? Okay, with that being said, I wish you a wonderful time and see you next week.